Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed services provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. Today I have an emergency tip for you. Online scammers have begun impersonating President Donald Trump and the White House by issuing phishing emails to lure recipients to websites to download malware. These scam email subject lines are titled, "The White House Instruction for Coronavirus," "President Guidance for Coronavirus." There may be other subject lines also circulating. Make sure you check for spelling errors, as this is one way to tell it's a fake email. These emails ask the recipient to click on a link within the document. This link takes you to a website and malware is immediately downloaded. Do not click on these email links unless you are certain of the identity of the sender. When in doubt, delete. Please click on the subscribe button located here. Please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Please follow the government's recommendation on social gathering. Stay safe out there.